Good morning, children. How are you? I hope so. You all are good and safe at your home. I am Rashmi Rajput from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 3, TGT Science. Welcome in today's online class. Before starting the class, let's discuss about today's morning. I know, children, it's lockdown period and you are enjoying your whole day with your parents in your home. What about today's morning? I know that you have taken your breakfast. Let me guess. What did you take in today's breakfast? Maybe idli, upma, dosa, poha or jalebi. So now, why I am asking about today's breakfast? Can you guess the name of the topic? Yes, our today's topic is food. Class 6, chapter 1. So let's begin. Food, where does it come from? In starting, I was asking some question related to today's morning. So let's start our chapter from the morning. What do we eat in breakfast, in lunch, in dinner? Here you can see time is also mentioned with the food. In morning time we take breakfast. In afternoon we take lunch. In evening or night we take dinner. What do you think about the children? Only time is related to food? No. Weather, climate, season, these all are related to our food. How? Let's see some examples. In cold weather, we take warm food. In summer, we take cool food, chill food. Yes and no. As per the reason, we take different types of food. Got it, children? Okay. Now have a look of breakfast. See, there are many food items. Come to the first plate. It's full of idli and sambar. Can you guess in which part of India this dish is famous? Yes, in South India people like to eat idli sambar. Now come to the second plate. It's looking very yummy. What is this? This is poha. I like to eat poha in morning. It's very nutritious and delicious too. What do you think? Do you like to eat? I hope so, children. Now come to the third plate. It's full of what? Yes, round and round jalebis. It is a sweet dish. Yes, I like to eat jalebis. And children usually like to eat sweet. And what about the fourth plate? I can see it's full of egg. So children, this type of breakfast can be filled with nutrition. You should take nutritious food in breakfast. Now, come to the lunch. Children, you can see a thali. In the thali, there are many dishes like chapati, dal, curries, veggies, sweet dishes, and a glass full of tasty and yummy lassi. Do you like to eat lassi? In summer, we usually take lassi in afternoon. So what do you think, children? We should take this type of food? Is this nutritious? Yes, because you can see in the thali there are many colors. How can we know that our food is nutritious or not? If you are taking different color food, your thali is full with many colors, means you are getting nutritious food. Now come to the dinner. In dinner thali you can see chapati, curd, veggies, salad and yummy dal. This is also nutritious food. Why should we take nutritious food? You know children, to perform daily activities, we require calories. To fill our calories, we need energy. From where we get energy? We get energy from food. So, we should take nutritious and healthy food. Here, we should talk about the fun food too. Nowadays, children likes to eat pizza, burgers, sandwich, buns. You should avoid them. Why? Because in such type of food, mostly preservative use, which are unhealthy. So avoid them and start having nutritious food to grow more than before. I hope so children. You always like to eat nutritious food in place of fun food. Okay children? Yes, and before and after meal we should wash our hand. Now come to the next slide. Here you can see written variety of food. I shown you some picture in breakfast, in lunch and dinner. Why I shown to you? You can see variety of food. What do you understand by variety? For example, you take poha, jalebi, idli, sambar in breakfast. You take roti, sabzi, dal, chawal, fruit salad, juices in lunch. So there is variety. Yes, you are not repeating the food in morning and evening or night. So these are the variety of food. We should not eat same type of food every day. We should change. Okay, it should not good for us if we are keeping to eat one type of foods. So let's talk about the India here. You know children, we travel every day. Nowadays we are in the home, but before this we were used to travel here to there, one place to other place, and while traveling we eat different type of foods. Yes and no. For example, if we are going to North India, we can see bhaji puri are famous. Chole bhature are famous there. Come to the south. In the south, people likes to eat what? People likes to eat sambar, idli, dosa, utpam, etc. If we are going to Maharashtra, it is a coastal area. In coastal area, people like to eat seafood. If we are going to West Bengal, it is also a coastal area. In West Bengal, people like to eat rajma and chawal. So these are the famous food of different state, and these are the variety of food. In the picture, you can see egg, fish, a thali full of different dishes, a basket full of fruits, and milk is here, butter is here, yogurt is here. These all are variety of food. We should think about the sources of these variety. I know children, you have learned in previous class balanced diet. So you have to write the definition of balanced diet in your classwork portion. You have to draw your favorite food in breakfast, in lunch time, in your dinner time. What do you like to eat? In morning, in afternoon, at night. You have to draw. Then you have to write some famous dishes of India. Okay. Now come to the next slide. Food items and their raw materials. Nowadays, you are watching your mother continuously. She is working in the kitchen in morning, afternoon and night. She cooks many dishes for you. So, you should help to your mother in the kitchen to know the about dishes and their raw materials. Here some dishes shown to you with their raw materials. First dish is idli. How can we prepare idli in home? Using rice, urad, salt and water. And how can we prepare kheer? We can prepare kheer using rice, milk and sugar. How can we prepare tea? Using water, tea leaves, sugar and milk. So these all are raw materials which are required to prepare given dishes. Now you should ask to your mama how she prepare many things for you and what are the ingredients or raw materials required to prepare them. You have to write your favorite dishes and their raw materials. In your NCERT book, children, are terms given to you, that is ingredient. So, what do you mean by ingredients? Some raw materials are required to prepare any dish are called ingredients. For example, to prepare boiled rice, we require raw rice, water and salt. So, these are ingredients to prepare boiled rice. Here we should talk about the dishes which are easy and complex. For example, to cook boiled rice, it is very easy. Why it is very easy? Because we require minimum ingredients to prepare boiled rice. And what about the sambar? It is easy? No. Why? Because we have to use many ingredients to prepare sambar, like pulses, many vegetables, oil and different spices. So it is complex and it is difficult to prepare. So this type of dishes you can also mention in your classwork, which are easy and which are difficult to be prepared. You know children, science is not possible without activity. In primary classes, you have performed many activities in your EVS. Now once again, we should perform an activity which you will like to perform. And what is the activity? Activity is how to prepare lemonade. Lemonade means lemon juice. In summer season, we like to drink lemon juice every day in afternoon. Yes and no children? Yes. So how can we prepare lemon juice at home? I am telling you the recipe. We require 1 glass pure water, a pinch of salt, 2 spoons of sugar and 1 spoon of lemon juice. These are the ingredients required to prepare a glass of lemon juice. So in afternoon, after the class, you have to collect the all ingredients which are required to prepare lemonade, and you have to prepare and you have to serve your parents. I hope so, children. With your family, you will enjoy today's activity. How can we prepare lemonade? In glass of water, you have to add 2 spoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, and 1 spoon of lemon juice. Then shake it well and your lemonade is ready to serve. You can serve chill or as you want. So it is your fun activity. You have to perform it. Now come to the next, children. While studying today's topic, one thing is come to us our mind: food material and their sources. In previous slide, we have seen the picture of fish, egg, idli, poha and other things. What do you think? From they come. We get egg from the chicken and we get poha. What is the source behind the poha? Plant. Yes and no? Yes. So here are some plant and animal products. Animals gives us honey, milk, fish, egg, meat and other things too which are not mentioned here. Now let's talk about the honey. What is honey? It is a animal product. We get it from the bees. How does bee prepare honey? Honey is a nectar which collected by bees from the flowers. So here is a question: what is nectar? You have to write the answer of this question in your classwork. And what is the source of milk? Again, animal, buffaloes and cow. Fish, it is also flesh meat we get from the animal. Egg, it is also animal product, and meat also animal product. And what we get from the plant? Many things we get from the plants: fruit, vegetables, oils, cereals, seeds, nuts and other things too. So animals and plants are obvious source of our food. Now, what are the obvious sources? Major part of our food comes from animal and plants. So animal and plants are obvious source of our food. Got it, children? Now you have to think about non-obvious food. Okay, children? You have to list out food we get from the animal, food we get from the plant in your classwork. Got it, children? Before talking about the homework, let's recapture our today's topic. You know, children, we have started from our morning and we have finished to the animal and plant products. Let's recall. In first, we studied about the different type of foods which we take in lunch time, dinner time, in breakfast time. And here you also know about your favorite food. Yes and no, children? And after that, most important things, that is ingredients. And ingredients are very important, that can be asked in your question paper too. So dishes and their ingredients you have to list out in your copy. And after the ingredients, we know about the nectar. What is nectar? And after that we studied about the animal products and plant products. So you have to read your chapter carefully, and after that you have to complete your homework too. What is the homework, children? Now look on the screen. First question is, you have to list out any 10 Indian states and their famous dishes. In question number 2, you have to give examples, 5 examples for fun food and 5 examples of healthy food. And last question for your homework, you have to ask your parents what are the ingredients required to prepare mango shake. So children, enjoy your mango shake and keep study at home. Be healthy and keep a smile always. Have a good day.